To renew a tag at a designated kiosk, several documents are required, including a renewal notice, valid identification, license plate number, and expiration year. Additionally, a preferred payment method, such as credit or debit, must be selected. Other necessary documents include a driver's license, proof of insurance, and an emissions inspection report. Once all required documents are gathered, the following steps can be taken. Visit the kiosk during operating hours. Typically between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Begin the process by scanning the barcode on the renewal notice and entering the requested information. After completing the necessary steps, select the registration renewal option and choose a payment method. Insert or remove the debit or credit card to complete the payment. Then enter the PIN. Wait for the machine to print the receipt and tag. The process is complete once the receipt and tag are printed.